Hey awesome ones, Heather here, and today I thought I would start a 5-part series starting with part number 1, and what it is are some of my favorite clothes, and I thought I'd start today with 25 of my favorite casual pieces. So I can't wait to show those to you. They're really my go-tos. And in the other parts I'm going to have, what am I going to have for you? How about some fun fashion, how to look expensive, and I've got a whole bunch of other ideas for you, but let's get started with this video on casual fashion. It all starts in just a few seconds. So with these 25 pieces, I can actually make up hundreds of outfits, and I'm also including in the mix the shoes and the boots that I really like to wear for casual days as well. But let's get started with the staple items, the black and the white pieces that I wear. Oh, and by the way, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some outfits, you know how I kind of put them all together a little later on. But first of all, I got a lot of clothes here on this clothing rack, and let's take a look. Now for casual, you have to start off with a basic white tee, and this one, I have a little knot at the front of it. I like to make a little knot, and that kind of hides my tummy a little bit. Also, for those really kind of warmer days, this is more of an ivory color, but it's a lovely flowy top for those really hot summer days. And of course, hey, I'm not going to show you a lot of black in this wardrobe for sure, but we do have to have a little bit, so there's kind of a basic black top that needs to be in the mix as well. Now every woman of every age can still wear jeans, and these are my favorite jeans. They're stretchy. They also don't have a zipper in the front, so they're super comfortable, and this band along the front also really helps to keep your tummy in. Also on the bottom, I can roll them up into kind of boyfriend jeans if I want, or leave them straight-legged. Now, staying with the casual look and also with jeans, I love the jeggings. I really, really love them, and they're tight, but they're stretchy, so they're super comfortable. And these kind of tighter bottoms on the legs look great with an ankle boot. Also, I don't wear shorts usually in the summer. I prefer to wear a skirt, and this little jean skirt, I just love it. It's got the little shorts underneath it, so it looks good, but it's so versatile, and on those hot days, you know, so comfy. Again, it's stretchy material too. Oh, and by the way, I know that some of these items might be hard to find, so what we're going to do is we're going to link similar items, especially skirts. They're kind of hard to find these days, and we'll link them in the description below, and you can find them there. Now for sure you're going to notice a little bit of a trend in the kind of pants that I wear, and capris. They're all stretchy, and I would suggest that you get the stretchy ones for sure. Anyway, here's the white capris that I love to wear, and again, they don't have a zipper. They've got that nice waistband to kind of hold everything in. Also, if you wear capris with those high boots, they actually work, so just a little hint there. You don't have to tuck as much in. Also, I would suggest getting a nice pattern capri because, oh, that's backwards. There we go. Again, look at, I've got the same kind of idea without a zipper, elastic kind of band as well. And what do I have that's next? Well, you know, we all got to do some lounging and some walking too. So I have my yoga pants, and they are so super comfy for lounging or walking, and again, the higher waistband, and they are super stretchy. So if you're out there doing your walking and you're getting in your steps, what you could also use is a really nice hoodie. And hey, you're never too old to wear a hoodie. These are so comfy, and I got this one from Amazon, so I should be able to link you to the exact same one. I love this one. I also love my white one as well, so you can pick any color that you like. Also, another item that's great to have in your wardrobe for casual wear is a blanket scarf. Now I'm going to show some pictures with this because it doesn't look like much of anything on the hanger that is falling off as well. But these are great items to have, and both of these that I have here, this is more of a Santa Fe kind of look, and both of these I did get from Amazon, and I should be able to link those for you as well. When you take a look at the Santa Fe kind of look, there's all different colors and styles available on Amazon, and it makes a really nice fashion statement piece, I think. And the other blanket scarf, hey, you could just throw that in the back seat of your car and have it if it gets chilly. The next look, I was mentioning about hoodies, and no, you're never too old to wear a hoodie. Another great item to have, comfy, you've got the hood if it starts raining, and it does give kind of a youthful appearance. Just don't get it in black, make sure you sort of get a great color. So the next item is, of course, the jean jacket, and I've had this one for years. It seems like they never ever go out of style, so I like this kind of darker color for the blue, but I'm seeing a lot of people wearing the washed color these days, so another great item for a casual look. So the next item that I want to show for casual is the little black dress. What? That's not casual. Well, you know what? If you pair this, let's say that you're doing something very casual during the day, but in the evening you're going out maybe for dinner or to a party. Well, this kind of casual look through the day, it really works into the evening. And let me just show you a couple of photos of me outside with my jean jacket and my little black dress. So here you can see in the first shot the little black dress, great for evening, and also the second shot is just sort of, I don't know, lounging around a casual day. And in the third one, it's dressing up with a blazer that I'm going to show you a little later on in this video. So now might be a really good time to talk about the footwear, and I would suggest a black ballet kind of shoe. Don't get like those cheap slipper ones. This has got to be something that's a little bit sturdy for a whole day of wearing, and this has got a very small heel on it. The other shoe that I would suggest would be a black pump. And this looks great sometimes with a pair of skinny jeans, and I have just a little kitten heel on this, and it's a very comfortable shoe. And then of course you gotta have your basic boot, and this is like an ankle boot, very, very comfortable, and yeah, and if you don't like if you don't like leather, there's all kinds of other man-made materials and even vegan boots out these days, so maybe check those out. Now, staying with the shoes, of course, you need a really good pair. These are very lightweight athletic shoes for all that walking that you're going to do. And the next two, okay, they're kind of worn out because they are my go-to. I love them in the warmer months. These little sneakers, little white sneakers, and they go great with that little skirt that I showed you, or the boyfriend jeans. There's just so many things that you can wear with those. And also slingbacks have made a comeback. This has just got the little kitten heel on it, and so I love this with maybe wearing a pair of crappies. Oh boy, capris. Anyway, I'm leaving all the bloopers in, why not? But these look really great for a little bit more of a upscale look. Now my next staple item is a cardigan. Absolutely love this camel colored cardigan, and I can wear it with almost everything. It looks fabulous with jeans, and I'll show you a few pictures of it later. But you might say, I don't like that color so much. You might want a blue, don't get black. Or you've probably seen me in this kind of duster. It's a lighter kind of cardigan, but I love it as well. So those are some ideas for you in the cardigans. So here you can see the camel colored cardigan. It just really brings it more of an upscale look. And there's crazy me down by the lake. I am wearing black underneath that gives me the slimming effect, but that beautiful blue turquoise is really a great color. So I'd really like you to get one more t-shirt, and in a lovely color that, you know, you have the white one of course, but a lovely color that looks great on you. And maybe you're like me and you find a style that you love and you say, well, I love that, but I also love this color and this color and this color too. Well, hey, you know what? If you have the budget for it and you find something you really love, sometimes it's a good idea. These ones I've had for years. So moving on, I really think you need to add a blazer to your wardrobe. Yeah, I know a lot of times we just go for the basic black, but these colors, I'm going to show you some photos in just a second, they just kind of rev up your complexion. I've got pink, I've got a powder blue, and even this denim type of look. It's such a beautiful jacket. So, you know, why not think about getting a blazer? It's a great way to kind of give a little bit more up style to your casual look. So taking a look, there's my jeggings. Make sure your blazer also covers your butt a little bit. Really good point there. And in the other one, if I'm going for an upscale lunch or something along those lines, but I may not know if I need to be dressing casual, I've got it covered. Oh, and by the way, you know what? I just kind of shopped my closet for all of this, and I did do a video on shopping your closet. What I'm going to do at the end of this video, I'm going to put on the end screen a link to that video so you can check it out. So sometimes you don't want to wear a t-shirt or a spaghetti strap top. You need something with a little bit longer sleeves, so that's why I'm wearing this top here. It's a beautiful, I think this is the color of the year for Pantone. It's this particular royal blue. And notice that it has some ruching in the front to kind of hide my tummy. But if you can't find this style, you could also go with this type of style in a longer sleeve. And this has a little tie in the front, and if you find something with a tie in the front, it also helps to kind of hide your tummy a little bit. So there you go. So let's talk about outerwear now. And you gotta have a raincoat or a windbreaker, something along this. This, by the way, is my go-to when I go shopping. I usually take a reusable bag, and if I get too warm at the mall, I just put that in the bag and roll it up. Can't even tell that it gets wrinkled. That's one color. There's lots of different colors, and I know I got this one from Amazon, so we'll make sure that we try to find that for you as well. Now, the one thing about having a raincoat is it's also like a windbreaker, a lot of these materials, so it keeps the wind away as well. Look at that beautiful blue. I love that color. And also the green. That looks great with that blanket scarf, the plaid one that I showed you earlier. Now, if you're in a colder climate, of course, you're going to need a parka. Again, lovely color, and it's got a hood on it with some faux fur, so I love wearing this. It's so warm and toasty. So my next go-to jacket is the Moto Jacket, and I have this in black. I also have it in white, but this is going to be a shocker. I usually like to wear the black one. It's so versatile. I mean, you think, okay, you can only wear it with a t-shirt and jeans. No, you can wear this with a leopard kind of style skirt, or, you know, all kinds of different things. So it's a great, great item to have in your wardrobe. Now, there's all different kinds of materials that you can have in a Moto jacket. The white one here is just made out of a linen material, and the other one is a faux leather. A lot of people are not going for the real leather these days, or there's also a vegan leather style that you could buy as well. So if you exclude the variances in the colors that I showed you, what you have here are 25 pieces that can actually make hundreds of different outfits. So it's kind of a casual capsule collection. Now, a lot of you can probably relate to my story here. After I had kids, I really started to gain weight, and I got myself in kind of a fashion rut. I was literally just wearing black tops and stretchy black trousers or pants or yoga pants. And you know, I really hope that seeing some of this casual wear, especially all the different colors, helps you to kind of bring your wardrobe from drab to fab. And someone who a lot of you think is super fab is our little Yorkie, little Hurricane. Hey Hurricane, how are you? And when Hurricane comes on the scene, I'm going to talk about future videos. So let's talk about the other 4 parts, 4 different capsule wardrobe videos that I'm going to do soon. And they're going to be on all kinds of different things, accessories, and also how about how to look expensive? That's a good one. So I want to make sure that I do that one for you. So yeah, don't forget to tune in and take a look at those ones coming up. And hey, if you like what you're seeing on this video, don't forget there's a button down there where you can subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the bell, because that way you'll be notified when the videos are out. And we love you to comment. Maybe you've got some casual items that you just absolutely love to wear, so don't forget to comment and share as well. Oh, and over on our other channel, which is youtube.com/awesomeover50inspiration, we got a lot of stay-at-home, kind of do-it-yourself DIY videos, including one that we did. It was a 6-hour makeover on our backyard. You won't believe the before and after pictures. Hey, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make sure I put a link at the end of this video for that one as well. So hey, I know sometimes we feel a little blah these days, but you know, I do these videos from my heart. I really feel like I want to kind of add a little spark for your day, maybe brighten your day, add a little color, you know, to your wardrobe. And above all, I'm really hoping that I can help you keep it awesome.